Kwa dhi mbele nyakura mgajwang' minod jalup jatend piny Kenya Dorcas Rigathi oyango ni joma mine ntiere kod ting' maduong' rakruok kod midhiero mosekel kod lokruok chal kod lwasi. Dorcas okone mine emakalo midhiero mathoth emakale midhiero mathoth mikelo kod lokruok chal kod lwasi, kendo nyaka koro migi thuolo mar bedo jokanyo e yor chiwo rieko kod keto tim lony margi e kedo gi lokruok chal kod lwasi. E twak mare kinde romo mar pinje Afrika e wi chal kod lwasi, Dorcas opako mikai mokwongo ma pacho ka Rachel Ruto kuom bedo ranyisi makare ne joma mine e kedo kod lokruok chal kod lwasi.
One of the greatest things that I know and I believe is that our host, Her Excellency, the First Lady of our Republic, is the leader of the climate, growth, green, everything. If you want to know who cares about the environment, you just need to point at Our Lady. And I'm so glad that I'm living in a country where climate change and climate actions are going to see another dispensation. I want to say this to the world. I think mothers and women are going to be the leaders in this climate change and climate action. When you come to mothers, they are naturals. And I think if women were to take up this climate change, it will go to another level. The reason is that they constitute the greatest percentage of the people that actually care about the environment, the forests, and even when we come to literacy, mothers are some of the people who teach their children. And I believe that when we as mothers and women take up this action, we will start it from cradle when we give our birth to our babies and when we are bringing up.